name's Lucia Bird. I'm doing a machinist apprenticeship at AESSEAL. It's a 3-year course and I'm in my 2nd year so far. I chose an apprenticeship because I wanted to change from a classroom and school. I like the fact that it was hands-on learning and that it was just a different environment to offices or different working environments. My apprenticeship consists of running different machines. It's 4 days at work and then 1 day at college. And so far I've learned how to run 4 different machines already and picked up skills quite quickly. I chose AESSEAL as my company because I was actually recommended it through a fellow operator here. I also like the aspect that it was eco-friendly and it was international as well. I believe the skills I bring to the company is that I'm very keen and hands-on. With being here just over a year, I've been able to run just over every machine in the workshop, and I'm very flexible as I've just recently been on a first aid course with my company. I would recommend an AESSEAL apprenticeship because it opens up a lot of opportunities. It's a great way to gain experience and learn new skills, and it's just a different way of learning. In 5 years' time, I'd like to see myself working in different sections within my company. I'd also like to train other apprentices, and I'd also like to work up to higher management or even travel, as my company is international.